how to redeem Brawl Star codes. The first things first that you'll have to be reminded of is redeeming codes on Brawl Stars is a limited feature only. Now, not all the time that if you redeem codes, it's gonna contain such as like characters, power-ups, or any kinds of rewards that you can use. Now, most of the time, if you will be redeeming codes with Brawl Stars, it's gonna be a booster like a times 2 level up XP or a times 2 energy from your specific character that you'll be using. Now, for you to be able to input a code, all I have to do is go to shop and just simply scroll all the way to the right until you find content creator boost. Now tap on enter code and this is going to be the page or the field in which you will be entering the specific code that you have. That's it. That's how you redeem Brawl Star codes.